Hello and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn about hobbies. Let's learn words for hobbies we do at home. Listen and say. Reading a book. Reading a book. Playing a guitar. Playing a guitar. Listening to music. Listening to music. Playing video games. Playing video games. Singing songs. Singing songs. Watching television. Watching television. Making cakes. Making cakes. Well done. You're doing really well. Now let's learn some more hobbies we can do at the beach. Listen and say. Sailing. Sailing. Fishing. Fishing. Flying a kite. Flying a kite. Taking photos. Taking photos. Great listening and speaking. Now, look at some photos of my family and friends. Say what they like, enjoy, or love doing. Here's an example. What does my friend like doing? Flying a kite. Your friend likes flying a kite. Look at the photo and answer the questions. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? What does my dad enjoy doing? Sailing. Your dad enjoys sailing. What does my cousin love doing? Playing the guitar. Your cousin loves playing the guitar. What does my sister enjoy doing? Singing songs. Your sister enjoys singing songs. What does my brother enjoy doing? Playing video games. Your brother enjoys playing video games. What does my mum love doing? Making cakes. Your mum loves making cakes. Awesome. Now it is time for some more running. But remember to come back soon to watch another video or check out our website esleSchool.com.